Nestled within a secluded landscape, the Victoria residence by Electric Bowery emerges as a serene sanctuary, a testament to calm, open living. Though inspired by the casual coastal sensibility of nearby Venice Beach, its true essence lies in its harmonious integration with the buffered natural surroundings. This unique home is a masterclass in timeless design, where every texture and subtle detail contributes to an experience of profound tranquility. It's a place where the urban realm fades into a whisper, replaced by an enduring spirit of innovation and grounded comfort, inviting its inhabitants to unwind and reconnect with their creative core. Beyond its private wall and welcoming gates, the Victoria residence reveals itself, tucked gracefully amidst native plantings and winding pathways that hint at discoveries within. This is more than just a house, it's a contemporary interpretation of a hacienda-style structure, born from the aspirations of clients deeply rooted in the arts community. The seamless flow of limestone and vein-cut travertine from exterior to interior blurs the lines between domains, imbuing the home with a sense of permanence and robust elegance. Inside, the color palette thoughtfully echoes the botanical tones of the surrounding garden, ensuring a continuous dialogue between the crafted space and its natural environment. The residence truly comes alive through its custom steel glass windows and doors, which act as living frames, constantly shifting the landscape into an ever-changing canvas of inspiration. These portals connect the interior to the outside world, while warm, muted bleached oak timber elements, integrated into the joinery, contribute to a soft and calming presence. This materiality fosters a deep connection to natural sensibility, punctuated by the bold, rich tones of indigo ebony timber that add a striking aesthetic counterpoint. Victoria Residence is more than just shelter, it is a carefully crafted environment that embraces the unique character of its residents and surrounds, becoming an incubator for relaxation, creative thinking, and an ideal escape. As we conclude our journey through the Victoria residence, we hope you've been inspired by this exquisite blend of coastal sensibility and artistic sanctuary. Electric Bowery has truly crafted a home where tranquility and creativity flourish, a perfect escape from the everyday. If you enjoyed this tour, please give us a like, subscribe for more architectural insights, and let us know in the comments which feature of the Victoria residence resonated with you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.